Hi and welcome back to the second day of the International Chainsaw Carving Competition 2012 here in Chetwynd, British Columbia. The rain has not dampened these carvers' spirits, and as you will see, these logs are starting to take shape.
Burnett, he's a speed carver. He's amazing at it. Chris Foltz is quick, and a friend from Japan is amazing. And come and check out what they do, because it's always a surprise.
Oh, you need to come and see it. It's with the naked eye. You've got to see it with the naked eye. It's phenomenal.
I think it's absolutely phenomenal what one log of wood can turn into. There isn't anywhere that I've seen carving better than this, and that includes Rome and Florence and all those other places where people think they've got fabulous carvings. I think Chetwynd's got it really well.
This is the completion of day 2 and the actual midpoint of the International Chainsaw Carving Competition here in Chetwynd, British Columbia, and progress is being made. Come on down and check for yourself and guess what these artists are creating. In Chetwynd, British Columbia, for Chet TV, I'm Chalifoux.